Welcome to Ahavas Yisrael Daily. We're on Chapter 8. Is complaining permitted? The Mishnah in Baba Metzia states, one who hires workers and they deceive each other, they have complaints against each other. The Gemara explains that the Mishnah refers to an employer who tells one of its employees to hire additional workers at a specific rate. He found workers, offered them a lower wage, and they accepted. Later they learned that the employer had originally offered a higher rate. Nevertheless, since they accepted the position at a lower wage, they cannot demand a higher wage. However, since it was unfair of the employee to offer them less, the hired workers have a right to complain. Rav Yisrael Salanter wonders what the Mishnah means by saying that the workers have a right to complain. Can't someone always complain if he wants to? He answers no. You need to have the right to complain. Just as when somebody dents your car, the Torah gives you the halachic right to demand monetary compensation. So too, there are certain situations where you have a right to complain. You have a right to tell someone that what he did was wrong. But in other cases, when you don't have a right to complain, it is improper to do so. Just as when somebody owes you $100, you forgive the debt. You don't have a right to go back and ask him for the money. The same holds true when it comes to the rights of complaint. Once someone has been appeased and has forgiven the person, he no longer has the right to complain. And if that person does complain, he is doing so illegally. When you forgive the person, you give up your right to complain. Rav Yisrael says that if one would train himself to feel that having an illegal complaint against somebody is like trying to reclaim a debt that has already been forgiven, he would be well on their way to not having negative feelings towards others. Of course, this is accepted of sincere Balei Musar, who are in control of their emotions and actions. And the main takeaway for us is that complaints are not absolute right in every circumstance. Thank you, and we'll continue tomorrow.